Thanks for watching another episode of TapRooT TV. Today we're going to talk about courses and how do you decide which course to take. I've got Tim Diggs here with me who's going to talk to us a little bit about, first off, how to navigate our website and where to find those courses, and maybe what course is best suited for you. Thanks for joining me today, Tim.
Oh, you're welcome. Thanks for coming in. So, how you find out what course is best for you, right? Our website's real simple to navigate. We have a courses page. If you go to TapRooT.com, right across the top there's a courses page. You can click on that, and that lists all of our different types of classes, and you can start clicking on those and getting more detail. But a starter that I recommend to everybody is when you're first looking at TapRooT training, ask yourself what types of problems you're trying to solve. And that's going to start helping you narrow down, because we've got a lot of different courses. We've, in addition to the 2-day and 5-day root cause analysis courses, we've got stopping human error, interview and evidence collection skills, equipment troubleshooting, the Equifactor course, executive leadership course. There's a lot of them out there. So first, identifying those types of problems you're trying to solve. And another really valuable, useful way to help you navigate and determine those course types, give us a call. You can reach out to us at taproot.com. Let us talk to you a little bit. Let us understand the problems you do have and you're trying to solve, and that we'll be able to help you navigate and get in that specific course that you need. But the short answer, what problems you're trying to solve, and that website, go to the courses tab, scroll down. You can choose to do courses at your site if you want us to come in and just work specifically with your company. There's also several public course offerings where you can go to a particular city and take a class with other people from other companies. So a lot of options out there, but it's not hard to find and it's not hard to do. Once you identify your course and just start clicking away, you just follow the clicks and it'll lead you right through the process.
Yeah. Thank you, Tim. I'm going to include a walkthrough to show you exactly what we're talking about on the website. The courses page from our homepage, TapRooT.com, is an excellent resource. Like you said, it's got all the explanations of the courses, and that's in the main toolbar. But there's also a toolbar at the very top, and that is our store. If you go to the store, you can see courses and other things as well, and narrow it down by region. And so there's actually more than one way. So we'll show you some of the best practices that we see for people to find what they're looking for. And also, I want to talk to a moment about, you mentioned 2-day, 5-day, virtual. For somebody who's new, all these terms could be a little confusing because we have several courses that are over a 2-day period. Can you elaborate on that a little more for us?
So when I say 2-day and 5-day, I'm talking about the specific root cause analysis courses. The 5-day advanced team leader course, and the 2-day essential TapRooT root cause analysis course. So both of those classes are going to give you the knowledge and the training to do TapRooT investigations, both proactively and reactively. But you may ask, okay, well, which one do I need? Do I need the 5-day advanced or the 2-day essential course? That really starts to rotate around that problems you're needing to solve. Okay, if the majority of your incidents are always that high consequence, high frequency type of incidents, then you should consider taking the advanced course. We teach the 7-step major investigation process in the advanced course. So there's additional information gathering techniques in that class, such as Equifactor. We cover Equifactor, and critical human action profile and change analysis and things like that, that when investigators are working that I don't want to say difficult investigation, but that high consequence, a lot of moving parts in that particular incident, things like that, they're going to need to rely on those additional information gathering tools. Now, that being said, if the majority of your incidents that you typically are working on are those low to medium risk type incidents, that if you're moving down the graph a little bit to that lower left-hand quadrant, then that 2-day essentials course might be what is best for you. That's that determination. Those are the foundations of the TapRooT system and the TapRooT courses, either the 5-day advanced root cause analysis or the 2-day essential root cause analysis course. Now, from that, there are many specific courses that you can take. For example, that stopping human error course. Human factors is present throughout the TapRooT system. It's heavily baked into that. But that stopping human error course specifically focuses on your improvement plan at your company or your facility, the status of it, and you leave that course with a specific improvement program for identifying these human errors and get that human factors training that you need. What improvement plans, what's the pros and cons of each tools that are heavily used in human factor performance evaluation and improvement. So that's a very short detail of what the stopping human error course is. Additionally, like I mentioned, the executive leadership course, okay? There's a class for the people who are not going to be the TapRooT investigators, but they're going to be the ones that are overseeing this program, and also the ones who, they're on the other side of that table. They're the ones that are getting the reports of the TapRooT investigation you just done. So what type of things are needed from them? What kind of assets do they need to dedicate to a TapRooT improvement program? How long does an investigation need to take? Who needs to be on the investigation team? How they sustain this improvement. And it's not limited to just TapRooT, but things they're going to need to do to sustain an improvement program.
Right.
So that in that 5 to 8 year period when there's turnover, you don't lose that momentum or that investment that you've made in installing your improvement program. So that's what I'm talking about when I say 2-day versus 5-day. When the foundations are that 5-day course or the 2-day essential root cause analysis course, and then there's several other courses that are specific that course focuses just on. For example, in the 5-day course, we talk about Equifactor, the equipment troubleshooting portion of the TapRooT system.
Yeah.
Well, there's a whole course dedicated to just Equifactor. So if you're in maintenance or asset reliability and you're dealing with these equipment failures or equipment reliability issues, it's a hard word to say there. The Equifactor course, that's something that you might need to take, and that's a 2-day course. So yeah, you're absolutely right, and that's a very long explanation, but
Perfect.
2-day versus 5-day, yeah, but there's a lot of different times. Now, going back to something you said about the website, and you can find courses in different places. Also keep in mind the Summit tab on our website. Because at the Summit, which is May 2nd through 6th this year in Knoxville, there is a Summit tab. And we actually do some courses in what we call pre-Summit, that Monday and Tuesday of that week. And some of these courses that we do at the Summit are not offered in a public setting year-round. So, for example, the executive leadership course is not generally offered publicly. We're offering that at the Summit on that Monday and Tuesday. So, if you are in a situation where, you've only got, 5, 6 people that need the training, and so the on-site course may not be the best option for you, and you're going to do publicly, and you're evaluating and you need to take one of those courses that we don't have regularly in public, that's your opportunity to do it, May 2nd of this year. So the executive leadership course, the improving your interview and evidence collection skills course, there's a course on managing risk that's not normally given publicly, that's going to be at the Summit. That's your opportunity to have that public attendance. Now, how you find those pre-Summit courses, as I said, sorry I cut you off.
No, I'm going to tell them.
Go to that Summit tab and you scroll down and you'll see it right there.
Let's take a look at TapRooT.com. First, we're going to navigate to the courses menu here. You can click on that and you'll see that there's a description of all the different types of courses that are offered. Okay, we're going to scroll back up to the top and take a look at the menu bar here where we have our store and click on courses. This is another way to see the courses that are offered. You can filter using location, topic, we expand that menu, you can see as it changes the availability of courses, you can filter and select there. And we go all the way down to the bottom. We're routinely adding courses. Right now we've got it all the way through October 17th. And then we're going to click back to the home page. And I want to show you the Summit page. So click on Summit. We talked about pre-Summit courses. Now here you can register for the Summit as well as take some pre-Summit courses. And the 9 courses that are available show here. Okay, so these are just a few ways to get to our courses. Of course, if you have any questions, you can always reach out to us and email info@taproot.com.